When you start smaller, it is more financially accessible. So there's no myth there. Starting a juice truck or doing online deliveries is generally going to require much less of a startup capital investment than, let's say, opening a storefront. Okay, that's definitely true. Now, in terms of if it is easier or more difficult, what I can say from my experience is it was actually more challenging for me running a juice truck business than running a storefront. And I'll share why. And it's kind of, as they say, hindsight is 2020. It makes so much sense to me now that I have experience in this industry. But prior to having an experience, I had a lot of misconceptions. And so when you run a small business, you have to do everything, right? If you can't afford to have more staff, then all the work is on you. There's certain things that have to get done no matter what, right? You have to make juice, whether it's you and you have a large business or you have a small business, you still have to make juice. You still have to market your business. You still have to do your accounting. You still have to make sure your licenses are all in place. There's things that will have to happen no matter what the size of your business is. And what I discovered is as my business got larger, I had the opportunity to delegate. This means that I got to focus on the things that were the highest leverage activities, and I got to choose many times how much I worked and how much I didn't work, because the cash flow of the business, because of the scale of the business, allowed me to delegate, hire more people, so on and so forth.